Using snaps is a great way to complete a closure on a wrap skirt. In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through the steps to sew on your snaps. To begin, you should have your wrap skirt waistband already sewn. If you need guidance on this process, we have a step-by-step tutorial linked below. First, identify the base of your snaps. The base is the part which the top snap fastens into. With your skirt right side up, you will attach the two base snaps to the finish waistband end that wraps underneath. We recommend using two snaps, a larger one which bears the weight of the skirt and a smaller snap as a backup in case one accidentally opens, preventing any fashion emergencies. When attaching the base snaps, ensure that the hole in the center of the base is positioned upwards. It's very easy and a little frustrating if you accidentally sew it on upside down. Position the larger snap at the top, ensuring it's 0.5 centimeters or 0.2 inches from both the waistband's top edge and side. This positioning prevents the snap from being visible on the right side of the garment once it's sewn and out in the world. Start sewing the snaps with a needle threaded with a double knot. Stitch into one side of the waistband, securing the stitch with a double knot. Move on to securing each side of the snap with approximately 5 stitches, making sure that each stitch only goes into the side of the waistband you're sewing it onto. So when you check the reverse side of the waistband, you won't be able to see any stitches, giving you a clean finish. Upon completing the first side, secure it by looping the needle around the base of the stitches and tying a knot, and then make a stitch under the base snap to reach the next side that needs securing. Continue this process, sewing each side on using the same method. After sewing all sides, tie a knot at the base and then finish tying the threads with a double knot to secure. Position the base of the smaller snap beneath the larger one and sew it on using the same method. Finally, put the skirt on and mark the positions for your top snaps. Start by sewing the larger snap on. Make sure to stitch only the front side of the waistband you are attaching the snap to, as the front side will be the side that shows on your final garment. After attaching the first snap, try the skirt on to confirm the placement is correct before sewing on the second one. And there you have it, an easy way to complete your wrap skirt closure. If you love sewing, we've got something to help you plan out your creations, our awesome and awesomely free PDF sewing planner. Jot down your measurements, hack plans and supplies for every project and add your fabric swatches and garment sketches. Use one of our 4 croquis models or sketch on the blank planner pages. It also includes a collection planner for organizing swatches and styling ideas for mini wardrobe collections and a 12-month sewing calendar. Get all your measurements sorted with our journal and step-by-step video tutorial, which walks you through how to take each measurement. Download your planner for free at madelabel.co/planner so you can get creative and plan out the wardrobe of your dreams.